Hello, my favorite virtual friends. I wanted to start this vlog off before I forgot. I have yet another day to enjoy being at home, doing some things that I enjoy outside of work. I have one bag order that I need to fulfill, and that's what I'm getting ready to do now. And sewing is so relaxing to me. It's fun. I love to see the fabric in its, fullness, and then to shape something up to make something that is it's so relaxing to me. And I'm always excited when I get to fulfill an order. And if you are interested in seeing, not trying to sell you anything, but if you're interested in seeing some of the bags that I create, you can go to my website at shoptishb.com and you can see some of those bags there. And all of the bags that I have listed on my website are those that I love, that I use. I think they're stylish and they are, of course, feminine, and just go with what makes me happy. And I hope that you find something there that makes you happy too. So this is not going to take up a lot of my time. It usually takes me about 30 to 45 minutes each bag. And really what takes the most time is prepping, getting the fabric cut out, adding the interfacing and all of that. That's usually the longest, the prep. And I'm going to do that, get that packaged to send today. And I have other few things on my to-do list that it's a long to-do list per se for me to have a day off. But when I tell you, I added things that, although I will be busy and using my hands, I enjoy those things. I'm going to make a notebook cover for a journal that I'm going to start using to write my intentions, goals, some affirmations. And I've been using this little notebook, reaching to see if I can find it. Well, I don't have to find the actual one, but I have these little notebooks. I have tons of these that I purchased from Dollar Tree. And because I wanted something small to take with me, I had just started to write down some things in one of these little 8 3/4, so 8.75, 5 by 7.5. I'm jacking that up. I'm gonna let you see what I'm trying to say. 8.75 inches by 5.75 inches. This has been perfect for me. But of course, I don't like the plain cover, and I want to rebind mine. This is mine right here, and I'm just trying to cover some things on here because it's personal. But I'm going to rebind this, add another cover, possibly maybe for the back, but I know definitely for the front. And I'm going to add a sheet to cover up the very first sheet, just like a nameplate of some sort. So I'm going to also do that today. I edited a video and have since uploaded that. I also need to select another book to read. I have been pushing myself to read constantly. At one point, a couple of years ago, I would definitely finish a book in a month. And I've slacked off on that since I started back working. No excuse. So I need to select another book. My oldest daughter, and I'm sure my youngest daughter, is going to also want me to create bookmarks for them. So I'm going to let them pick out the paper or the design that they want, and I'll probably have them help me make their bookmarks as a little activity. And I may be running to Sam's Club with my husband shortly. So while he's waiting, I'm trying to get as much prep for this bag that I can before it's time to head out. And I just want to jump in. I don't know if this is going to be a week vlog or a day. Here he is. So I'll talk to you in just a moment. So would you like to see the components of the bag that I'm getting ready to put together? So I have a top fabric. The front of the bag is right here. Okay. And then the back of the bag will be this faux croc. I love that. And the inside of the bag is going to be this black and white polka dot. And you saw in the video, in the clips before this, that I have created a little template that I use, and it's all beat up now, but I made a template for the size bag that I like. For the front and the back cover, I have some interface that's going to sturdy it up a little, and I'm going to adhere that using some fusible adhesive. And I use my little iron. Isn't she cute? I use that. And for the zipper, I use the endless zipper. And I always use and that's just because I like it, gold zippers. So I'll measure this out to what size of the bag I'm making and add a zipper. And I also make zipper tabs, and I'll show you what that looks like once I add them on there. Y'all, these look so much better than when I needed a fruit tray a while ago. They were so bland and plain, so I started to make my own. But these don't look too bad. I like a little garnish though. They just grouped it up in here with a little bit of cheese. Yeah, but I like to make my own. We're out of Sam's. Now we're stopping to get gas. We're gonna grab a bite to eat, a quick bite, and I am sitting here trying to fight a sweet tooth. One of our favorite bakeries is here. And do I resist or do I give in? What do I do? What do I do? Oh, and before we leave, I didn't know that we were going to be coming this way to come to Sam's, and there's a perfume that I really love. I use it almost daily, and I said to myself this morning, I need to order this perfume. And when I made it here, I thought, oh, I can just go pick it up. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go look for my perfume. Should I go into Ross? So unplanned. I know for sure perfume, possibly Ross, possibly lunch, and we're heading home. So we stopped by the bakery anyway. But the good thing is, I just didn't think about myself. My husband has some, I have some, and we picked some up for the girls. These pedophores are, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Friends, this is what the bag looks like after it's done. The front and the back, and then those zipper tabs. Now this is a different, this one has the plain zipper, not the so this is not the actual bag that I sewed, but I already had one. Didn't want to take too long to show you. So these are the zipper tabs, the little small square pieces that I showed you. And it just adds a little bit more, you know, a continuous pattern to the bag. I love how they make the finished product look like. And I have things in this bag, so I won't show you the polka dot lining, but I did show you in a few clips before what it looks like. So here it is. Here are the bookmarks that I made my daughter. She went to hang out with some family, so I just started on some designs for her. She is an avid reader, so just made a few with her name on it, and some that I think are cute and fits her aesthetic. And that's it. She has several to choose from, so if she decides that she wants different ones, we can just make them. I just want to go ahead and get those to her. And of course, Mom needed some because I also enjoy reading. I just need to cut the corners on mine. And I think I told you that on my to-do list was me taking one of those plain notebooks and creating a cover for mine, and I did it. I didn't do anything fancy to the back, but now I am definitely happy with my cover. And I live by the saying, you guys, plan well and conquer. And that's what I did today. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope that you enjoyed the content. Please like this video and give it a thumbs up by liking the video, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until the next video, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.